Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian bulls once again take the challenge above the 78 handle, but the door soon opened to the bearish return as prices approach the 78.45-55 supply zone. Overall, I still expect to see the market foul towards this region, and I still hold the bearish view down towards 77.65 to 77.20 and reassess from there. The euro overnight attempted to gain further momentum but found resistance at 118.90. Overall, I still expect to see pressure to the downside after the US dollar index overnight did recoup some of its losses and broke briefly above 93 to print a high of 93.04. At present, I still expect to see the euro weaken and the dollar to continue to remain firm. And tonight we have the US CPI out, which the Fed will be keeping a very close watch to the number, as the view is still at this stage expects a rate hike in December. The dollar yen outlook still remains negative and still looks towards 111.60 as a potential target. I still hold the strategy to buy dips on any pullback. And while remaining above 111.60, I do feel that the market will eventually recover and look back towards a 113 handle and reassess from there. A dip through 111.60 would see the next target of 110.95. The pound fell sharply overnight due to the comments from Michael Barnier, who is the UN's chief Brexit negotiator. He said that talks regarding the divorce bill reached a deadlock and the pound soon hit a bearish note and fell to a low of 131.19, which is where the support is, which I highlighted yesterday at 131.2025. Although the recovery was rather modest in terms of tracing back above the 132 handle, I'm still a little bit concerned that the market may foul towards 132.60-70. But on the other side of the coin is the fact that the Brexit talks may worsen, but we still got the Bank of England, who still feels at this stage that a hike in the next couple of weeks could be on the cards. So keep an eye on that. The gold outlook is weakening to the upside, and I do expect to see further gains above 94 and look towards the target eventually of 1,309 to 13. Any dips on the day should find demand towards 88, with a base now holding at 82. And to wrap up with oil, the market was a little bit weaker overnight due to the fact that crude stockpiles fell for the third straight week. And although we've seen a quite comfortable rally over the last 3 days, I still feel that dips are a way to play this market, and towards 50.50 should find demand, and still look towards the top side of 51.90 or even extending towards $53 a barrel and reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great start to the new weekend.